Have you ever wondered why some speeches resonate with you while others don't? It's all about knowing who's listening. To make your words hit home, you need to understand your audience's demographics, interests, and expectations. This doesn't mean changing your message, but molding it to fit their needs and preferences. It's like tailoring a suit. The better the fit, the better it looks and feels. So, before you start crafting your speech, take time to know your listeners. Knowing your audience is the first step to delivering a captivating speech. Have you ever lost your way in a maze of words during a speech? It's not uncommon, but the good news is, organizing your content can make all the difference. Let's break it down. Start with a strong opening. This is your golden opportunity to grab the audience's attention. Make it count. Next, lay out the main points of your speech. Each point should be like a signpost, guiding your audience through your message. Remember, clarity is king. Keep your points concise and easy to understand. Now, transitions. Think of them as bridges between your ideas, creating a seamless flow. Don't leave your audience stranded on an island of confusion. Guide them from one idea to the next with smooth transitions. Finally, conclude with a memorable closing statement. Leave your audience with something to think about, a final nugget of wisdom to take away. Organizing your content helps you navigate the maze and deliver your message effectively. Ever wondered how top public speakers seem so natural and fluent on stage? The secret is practice, practice, and more practice. Even the most seasoned speakers don't just wing it. They rehearse their speeches until they are comfortable with both the content and delivery. Get comfortable with your speech by rehearsing in front of a mirror. This allows you to observe your facial expressions, body language, and overall presentation style. Additionally, recording yourself can be an invaluable tool for identifying areas of improvement. You might be surprised at what you discover when you watch yourself back. And don't underestimate the power of feedback. Seek out opinions from trusted friends or mentors. They might catch things you've missed or offer insights that can elevate your performance. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither are great public speakers. It's all about repetition and refinement, so keep practicing, and don't get disheartened if you don't nail it the first, second, or even third time. Remember, practice makes perfect. Do you remember a time when a visual aid in a presentation made the message crystal clear? Visuals can truly be a game changer. They can turn a complex concept into a simple, digestible idea. But remember, the best visual aids are clear, concise, and easy to understand. They should support your speech, not steal the spotlight. Practice with them to ensure they work seamlessly with your narrative and avoid technical glitches. After all, visual aids should illuminate your message, not obscure it. Have you ever felt part of a speech rather than just a passive listener? That's the magic of audience engagement. It's not just about talking at people, it's about talking with them. This sense of participation makes your message more compelling and memorable. Imagine a speech as a conversation. How do you keep a conversation lively? By asking questions. Questions spark curiosity and invite input. They make your audience think, respond, and engage. Another effective strategy is conducting polls. People love giving their opinion and seeing how it stacks up against others. It creates a sense of community and can provide valuable insights for your speech. Finally, make your content relatable. Tie your ideas to experiences your audience can understand and relate to. This creates a personal connection, making your message more impactful. Remember, the goal is to make your audience feel involved, valued, and connected. After all, an engaged audience is an interested audience. Have you noticed how confidence can make even complex ideas seem simple? That confidence stems from knowing your material inside and out. When you are well versed in your topic, you can explain it in a way that is clear and engaging, even if it's a challenging subject. Imagine you're in the middle of your speech and someone raises a tricky question. If you know your material, you can handle it with grace and poise, turning a potential stumble into a moment of connection with your audience. And let's not forget about preparation. Anticipating potential questions and preparing your answers in advance is a great way to build confidence. Remember, your audience is there to learn from you. The more you know, the more you can share, and the more impactful your speech will be. Knowledge is power, especially when you're standing on the stage. Ever felt rushed during a speech or presentation? It's one of the common challenges that can cloud your message. The key here is time management. Practice your speech within the allotted time, rehearse with a timer. This helps ensure all your key points are covered without rushing or overrunning. Think of it like a well-choreographed dance, every move fitting perfectly with the rhythm of the music. Mastering time management ensures your message doesn't lose its impact. Do you remember stories more vividly than facts or figures? That's the power of storytelling. It breathes life into your speech, making it more memorable and relatable. But how do you weave stories into your speech? Firstly, ensure the stories you tell are relevant to your message. You wouldn't tell a story about climbing Mount Everest if you're discussing financial management, unless of course there's a connection. Secondly, personal anecdotes often resonate the most. They make you human, relatable, and authentic. They reveal the you behind the speaker, fostering a connection with your audience. Lastly, your stories should have a clear point. Don't leave your audience scratching their heads, wondering what that story was about. Make your point clear and tie it back to your main message. Remember, stories are not just fillers or icebreakers. They're powerful tools that can turn a good speech into a great one. Stories can turn a good speech into a great one. Can you imagine yourself delivering a successful speech? Picture it. The power of visualization can significantly boost your confidence. Close your eyes, envision yourself on the stage, speaking confidently, captivating your audience. Imagine their nods of agreement, their applause, their smiles of understanding. Feel the satisfaction of delivering your message effectively. This positive mindset, this vivid image of success, can truly be a game changer. Visualize success, and you'll be one step closer to achieving it. How often do you celebrate your achievements? It's crucial to acknowledge and celebrate your accomplishments after each speech. You see, every victory, no matter how small, is a stepping stone towards becoming a better speaker. By recognizing your achievements, you reinforce the positive actions and behaviors that led to your success. This, in turn, builds your confidence, making you even more prepared for your next speaking engagement. So remember, celebrate your successes, no matter how small, and watch your confidence grow.